Hello friends, welcome to Excel Skill Corner. This video is on how to customize Excel interface. Customization means to arrange the wanted options according to one's needs and preferences. Pinned option is one of the options which one can use for customization. In File tab, one can see the files used recently. But you will have certain files that you use daily. Instead of searching out these files daily, you can pin it here. When you have a busy schedule, this is very helpful because you can access the urgent files from here if you have pinned it. These files will be here itself even if you have taken other files recently. In the same way, you can pin multiple folders too. The greatest advantage is that you can straight away come here to your files and start working on them. It is a time-saving option. The next option where you can do customization is creating a tab with options of your own choice. As you see many features in File tab, you can create a new tab with the features you need in your daily work. You can bring those features which you have to search out to this tab, and you can work on your files with these features by accessing them easily from your own tab. This can be done in the Customize Ribbon option by clicking the New Tab button and subsequently adding the needed features. You can give a name of your choice to your new tab by clicking the Rename button. For example, here I have given Excel Tips as the name. In the Tabs section, you can see my newly created tab, Excel Tips, with the features I have chosen. So you can have a tab of your own with all the features you need often and with no other unused features. To add to this, if you look carefully in the Customize ribbon, you can explore more features and find out what are their uses. You can see even more commands by clicking on all commands from the Choose Commands drop-down menu. So explore all the features, find out the ones you need, bring it to your own tab and access them easily. In a nutshell, using Excel wisely saves your time. In the same way, you can customize the quick access toolbar. The commonly used commands are save, new, undo, etc., which you can see here. You can choose your commands here. If you want more options, you can go to More Commands and search your wanted options and put it here. You can also change the location of Quick Access toolbar either above the ribbon or below the ribbon. For that, you have to click on the down arrow and you can see the option there. From there, you can your preference. So these are the customization options which you can do to speed up your work. With that said, I'm signing off. We shall meet again in the next video with a new topic.